Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to buy eSIM with Airalo and activate it. So first, download the Airalo app and click on open. And here, click on next, 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 and start now. Click on continue and allow it if you want. Now after that, click on the profile and sign up for an account. Simply click on this and go to sign up. You can enter your details here or you can basically use your Gmail. For me, I will use my Gmail. Now after you signed up, here you have your local eSIMs, regional eSIMs, and global eSIMs. Now, basically, choose an promo you want to avail and then click on buy now. For me, I will go to Japan and I will click on this get free eSIM. Click on buy now and make sure that your device supports eSIM, but I will purchase it anyway. And then click on the box and click on complete order. Wait for it. And now scroll down and click on the view eSIM details. Here, as you can see, I've successfully purchased it. Click on View Instructions to activate your eSIM. Now here you have a code. You can either scan this code for step 1 or installing eSIM, but you can do the manual one. Just follow the instructions given. And after that, follow the second steps. There are also instructions here. And that's basically it.